In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize text quickly in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you're prepping a project presentation or polishing a project management report, getting your text to the right size makes your slides look clean, balanced, and professional, and it saves you time while you work. Start by selecting the text you want to resize, click inside the text box to place your cursor, then drag to highlight the words you want to adjust. If you're aiming to change everything in a single text box, a quick way to select it all is to click the border of the text box itself. That tells PowerPoint you want any size changes to apply to the entire content, not just a portion. With your text selected, head to the ribbon at the top and open the Home tab. Look for the font size control. You can choose a size from the drop-down list, or if you need something precise, type a custom number directly into the box. As soon as you confirm the size, you'll see the text update instantly. This immediate feedback makes it easy to dial in the right look for timelines, milestone callouts, or any content that needs to stand out without overpowering your layout. If your text feels a little too large or too small for the space you've reserved, like a compact section in a dashboard slide, make a couple of quick adjustments and check how it fits within the design. Small incremental changes often deliver the most balanced result. You can also rely on built-in keyboard shortcuts to nudge font size up or down while you stay focused on your content. These are perfect when you're moving fast and want to fine-tune the look without reaching for menus. When you're working with text boxes, consider enabling autofit to help the text adapt to the space. Right-click the text box, choose Format Shape, and under Text Box, pick either Do Not Autofit or Shrink Text on Overflow. Do Not Autofit keeps your chosen size and can help maintain consistency across slides. Shrink Text on Overflow reduces the size automatically when the content would otherwise spill out, which is especially helpful for dense slides like timelines or project charts. For an advanced touch, go to the Format tab, select Text Effects, and choose Transform. Here you'll find options that can scale and shape your text, letting you achieve a proportional look while adding a bit of visual flair. Use these thoughtfully to highlight key points or data. That's it. Quick, clear ways to resize text using the ribbon, helpful autofit options, and advanced text effects to refine your slides. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.